Hey everyone, welcome to the Vela channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the brandmore error in Phasmophobia. First, let's go into the brandmore itself. Yes, firewall. So this is what it looks like, and here we'll check first whether it can be turned off. To do this, you can click here and simply turn it off with these two buttons. Try logging in like that. Also check in the advanced settings that no rules have been created for Phasmophobia. Click here and type Phasmophobia. So I have a rope here, for example, so those can be deleted. The same here. Look. Next, you can try to go into the command line, run it as administrator, and enter the command ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. Oh, actually, here it is, ipconfig flush DNS. There. Next, if none of this helps, just make sure you launched Steam as administrator or the game and turn on a VPN. That might help too. This was Veller. See you all later.